Depois vocês estão comendo.
Old wooden porch swing, swaying in the breeze. Grandpa's old hat and my memories. Sunsets glow on a dusty old track. Whiskey in my hand, never looking back. Rusty mailbox letters faded and worn. Sunday fried chicken, buttered sweet corn. Church bells ringing, a hymn in the air. Country life simple, no city cares. Whiskey on the porch, stars up in the sky. Tales of the heartland as the night passes by. Simple songs of life, love in the air. Whiskey on the porch keeps me sane. Mama's old quilt wrapped around tight. Tales of old loves and barroom fights. Moonlight dancing on the piney grove reminds me of stories my daddy told. Life's a harvest, a sweet and sour. Days of joy, every golden hour. We'll keep singing through thick and thin, with whiskey by our side, let the night begin. Crickets chirping, a lullaby so sweet. Barefoot on grass, cool under your feet. The world outside somehow fades away. In the arms of home, I'll always stay. On the porch, stars up in the sky. Tales of the heartland as the night passes by. Simple songs of life, love and the day. Whiskey on the porch keeps me sane. Mama's old quilt wrapped around tight. Tales of old loves and barroom fights. Moonlight dancing on the piney grove reminds me of stories my daddy told. Oh,